Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your current credentials. This ensures you have full access to your account settings where you can make important changes like updating your email address. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically displays your initials or a small avatar. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to your account management page where you can customize various aspects of your Indeed profile and preferences. Once you're in the settings area, take a look at the left side of the page. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Make sure you're currently on account settings. This section contains all the core information about your Indeed account, including your email address, password, and other essential details. Now, within the account settings section, locate the field labeled Email. You'll notice there's a Change Email button or link right beside it. Go ahead and click on Change Email to begin the process of updating your email address. This is the gateway to modifying the primary email associated with your Indeed account. A new field will appear prompting you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in the email address you want to switch to, making sure there are no typos, then click Update Email. This initiates the verification process to ensure that you have access to the new email account. At this point, Indeed will send a verification code to your new email address. You'll need to wait a moment for this code to arrive in your inbox. Keep an eye on your email and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. This security step confirms that the new email address belongs to you. Once you receive the code, return to the Indeed settings page. You'll see a field where you need to input the verification code. Enter the code exactly as it appears in your email, then click Continue to finalize the change. And that's it. Your email address on Indeed has been successfully updated, and you'll now receive all notifications and communications at your new email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.